want to show you guys another recipe. So right here, these is the Glory greens in the bag, guys. So what I'm doing right here, I am deep frying the greens, and back here in this pot is my turkey tails that's done, and they pretty much off the bone. So pretty much in this pot, guys, I cook the turkey tails. I put my Creole season, I put garlic, I put onions, I put some cayenne pepper in there. If you want it real spicy, you could put more. I put a little accent in there. My herb spices. So what I do, guys, I take a mixture of the collard greens from Glory's, the turnip, guys, and the spinach, guys, and I'm going to deep fry them. And after I deep fry them, guys, I put them over into this pot where the meat is already done and it soaks up that flavor, guys. But these will be the best greens you probably have ever tasted. Like, oh my God, you can eat it without cornbread. So this is kind of like the African style greens, but I don't do all the spices. And they'll do fish in theirs. They might do neck bones, a lot of stuff like that. I just like the turkey tails. And I don't like mine's too spicy, guys. So when they get deep fried good enough, like I fry them where the toughness look like it's out of them, and then I transport them over into that pot. Then I put my next batch on, and I just keep frying until I get them all pretty much fried up. And then I'm gonna let them cook for additional, after they come out of the grease, and go over there for additional like 2 hours, and they will be ready. But I wanted to share this recipe with you guys as well, guys. So thank you, guys. Guys, so if people wonder, like, when is it time to take them and put them over into that pot? Like, once you see all your leaves has been, fried into it. So like these now, guys, is ready to go over into the pot. Like, you let it fry to the leaves part does not look real crunchy. So after I didn't get so much of it fried, let some of the grease drain, and then put it over. So that's when you know to put it over, guys. So now I'm just going to finish and take this and put it over. Alrighty. Guys, so after that step, I'm going to let these cook for additional 2 hours after I deep fried them, guys. And then, guys, the finishing video is going to be all in one video. I taste it because I'm making the roast, the sweet potatoes, the cornbread, but I don't have a lot of memory, so I'm gonna load this video. But the finishing video where you guys will be able to see me taste them and tell you guys what they taste like, that'll be all in one video. But I need to delete some of the memory to go to the next steps on my other food. Thank you guys for watching, and I will put the finishing result in one video with all the food that I made. Thank you. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots, but you guys can go on Google as well and pull up the recipe for making African greens, and you guys can make them as spicy as you want them. I found a couple recipes on Google, so thank you guys so much for watching, and try this recipe. You guys will love it.